Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is about lady's finger peratal, and this cooking is by my mom. Add 4 tablespoons of oil when the kadai is hot. Add little mustard and allow it to splatter. Then add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and bengal gram. Once they splatter, add the cut onions into the oil. I've taken a medium sized chopped onion here. Saute it well. Once it turns pink, we can add the cut lady's finger. Give it a good toss. Make sure that the stickiness of the lady's finger goes off well. It will take around 4-5 minutes to lose the stickiness, which is the nature of the lady's finger. Add a spoon of turmeric powder. And mix well. After adding the turmeric powder, I have left the lady's finger to cook well. Once it has cooked well and the stickiness has gone, just sprinkling some little bit of water to make it boil, closing with a lid and allowing it to boil. Once it is done and the water has gone, evaporated, adding a pinch of Everest masala. This gives a good color to the lady's finger, and salt. Basically this has only 3 powders. One is turmeric powder and the other one is Everest masala and salt. So minimum ingredients to this recipe. Spread it well and toss it well so that the masala gets evenly distributed across the whole pan. Need patience to cook this. As you can see, lady's finger has cooked well. Now it's time to transfer it to a serving bowl. This recipe goes very well with rice, dal and palak. This is rich in fiber and good for health. Thank you for watching my videos. Watch this space for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.